Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of the Dell 16-inch with the OLED display, the 2-in-1 laptop here. Normally it's like $1,550. Best Buy had them on sale, and then they had this one as an open box. I only paid like $720 plus taxes for it. So this was over half off, and it was in excellent condition. But since I actually bought it yesterday, ordered it yesterday and picked it up today from Best Buy. It actually went back up to normal price, but I basically paid half price for this. I'm hoping it is actually in excellent condition because something keeps rattling around in this box. I'm hoping it's not the nice. Ew, that was not in there too well. Alright, so we have the laptop. We'll come back to that in a second here. That is one big laptop. Alright, it does have the pen, which was not even opened. Yeah, so this pen was not even opened. So that is cool. Yeah, you can see it still has all the plastic on it. I literally had to cut the plastic from the box here. And it looks like there's just some extra tips in there. That's really cool. This thing comes with a stylus. I totally forgot I came with one actually. And then let's see. So I think this is what was rattling around in this box. Let's say it doesn't look like it was open, but yeah, no, that is definitely opened up. So there is our charger. Anybody hungry? Anyway, and then silica, that was probably also moving around in this box. So let's bring up the main. Get those out of the way. So this is, you won't be able to see it on, actually I can hardly tell in this lighting I have. But this is actually a cool green. I think it's called Alpine Green or something like that. There's a little bit of like fingerprints on here, but otherwise it looks pretty good. Yeah, the thing's still in there. So you have your HDMI, your USB-A, two USB-Cs, maybe the charging icon there. Other side here has a full-size SD card along with another USB-A and a headphone jack. I think it's just a headphone jack and it's not a mic as well, it looks like. I could be wrong. You all can let me know. That's good, they put that back on there. There's still a little bit of stuff over it. It's turning on. Or, I'm sorry, I do not have the best setups for doing laptops at the moment. But I see a nice big trackpad down there. So this is again the Inspiron 16 2-in-1, so 16-inch. It does have a 4K display. I believe it's 4K display. I believe that's 4K. Ultra HD plus 3840 by 2400 OLED touch display. I know it's a very good display. Power key with fingerprint reader. Thunderbolt 4.0, full HD, IR camera, quad speakers, which is really cool, and then Dell Cinema. And down here, this thing is really a lot heavier than the tablets I'm used to.
To set up your device using a screen reader, turn on narrator by pressing Windows
i7,
plus
and it has a
For
NVIDIA.
more accessibility
Oh my
features,
gosh.
press Windows plus.
NVIDIA MX550 in it, 2 gigabytes of that. And of course, this is a 2-in-1. It does have a shutter here for the camera, which is pretty cool. It is a 2-in-1, so it can do a complete. Ooh, as I scrape it, bend over, and it's a really cool color. You guys probably cannot see it through this camera, but so it's a 16-inch tablet basically, which is really cool. So, and of course you can lay it flat, or you can do that. And it is touchscreen. So, yeah, you guys go. Just a quick unboxing and very quick look at it. I hope I do not end up scratching in here. And you can see it does have these big speaker grills on either side, so that means there is no keypad on the side, which I really don't care, because I'm just going to use those anyway. I know it matters to some people. And it does have the fingerprint scanner built into the power button. Otherwise, yeah, I think it looks like a normal one. So, yeah. You all let me know what you think. I think this thing is sweet. Again, I paid like $800 out the door with taxes. It was the taxes where I bought from were 10%, which is high. But it's like $720. Normally, it's like $1550 here in the U.S. So, we'll see how this thing does. I'm really, really excited about this OLED display. Super excited. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. If you want to see something on this laptop, as long as I do not end up returning it, which I do quite a bit of because I just don't find things as good as I want them to be. But let me know in the comments below. We'll see. Might see if some Roblox plays on this or something. Thank you guys for watching. As always, have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.